Annyeong everyone! Today we're making 떡갈비, Korean style beef patties that are sweet and savory. It's the perfect dish when you're on a budget but want to eat like a king, literally. Originally, 떡갈비 was enjoyed by Korean royals and nobles because they thought grabbing ribs by hand wasn't sophisticated. Instead, they minced the meat and shaped it into patties. These juicy, flavorful patties are now a popular home-cooked dish, and they're super easy and affordable to make. Let's get started. Traditionally, 떡갈비 is made by mincing beef short ribs with a knife, but to keep things simple, we're using ground beef, which makes it much more budget-friendly. Some regions also mix in ground pork for extra juiciness. Today, I'm using 2:1 ratio, more beef than pork, for a richer flavor. If you prefer, you can go for an equal mix. For extra texture and depth, I'm adding onion and green onion, and keeping the onion pieces a little chunky for some texture. We can dice them finely or even skip them. As for the green onion, I'm using the white part since it has a stronger fragrance than the green part. Some people also add carrots, but traditional palace-style 떡갈비 didn't include vegetables, so that's totally optional. Now let's season the mixture. First, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm using 2 tablespoons, which is 12 cloves. Then add half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. If you're using pork, a bit of ginger powder is suggested. Now mix everything until well combined. The patties should hold their shape, but at the same time still have a little texture, so do not overmix. Once the mixture is ready, shape it into oval patties and flatten them slightly. Here's the tip. Press a small dent in the center. These tend to puff up when cooked, and the dent will help them cook evenly. The total of 450 grams or a pound of meat can make 8 patties for 2 people. And just a quick reminder, the full list of ingredients is in the Show More section, so check it out. Next, let's make a simple but powerful glazing sauce. All you need is a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey, and a little oil. Just mix them together and that's it. This sauce will caramelize the patties as they cook, giving them that beautiful glossy finish. Now that everything is ready, let's heat up a pan over medium-high heat. Add a small amount of oil to prevent sticking. Place the patties in the pan, and once the bottom changes the color, flip them over. Now glaze the cooked side with a spoonful of sauce. Then flip again and glaze the other side. Keep flipping every now and then to prevent burning while allowing the surface to caramelize. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Try not to overcook them. We want them to stay juicy and tender. You can also cook these in an air fryer. Check out the Show More section for details. And that's it. 떡갈비 is ready. The outside is beautifully glazed and caramelized, while the inside stays juicy and packed with flavor. It pairs perfectly with kimchi if you have some at home. You can also enjoy it with rice. However you eat it, you'll love it. This recipe is super easy and affordable, so definitely try it at home. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, delicious Korean recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.